Bring refinement to the wild with the Dukin Loft Penthouse, designed to transform any campsite or backyard into a stylish retreat. This rooftop tent isn't just gear, it's an upgrade. Elevate your outdoor experience with a sleek aluminum shell that opens in seconds. The interior boasts 7 feet of length and nearly 4.3 feet of headroom, offering ample space for 2 adults to stretch, relax, and rest. Breathable mesh windows and dual skylights invite cross breezes and stargazing. The Getter X smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with convenience, delivering a truly hands-free experience. Designed for those who are always on the move, these glasses allow users to access apps, translate languages, and manage daily tasks seamlessly. With direct app downloads, you can quickly install your favorite applications directly onto the glasses, reducing the need for a smartphone. Featuring real-time translation, the Getter X smart glasses are ideal for travelers and professionals in global environments. In a world driven by precision, the Ringcon Smart Ring brings a refined approach to personal wellness without compromising comfort or style. Start your journey with the Ringcon Sizing Kit, an essential step to ensure the perfect fit before making your final purchase. Once you're set, dive into a seamless health monitoring experience backed by a one-time investment and 0 subscription fees. The Gourmet Digital Display 5-quart large air fryer offers a convenient and efficient way to cook with its 12 one-touch cooking presets, making meal preparation simple. This air fryer is designed to cater to a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables, all while using less oil. Its 5-quart capacity is perfect for cooking family-sized meals or preparing snacks for gatherings. Powered by a 1500-watt heating element, this Gourmet ensures fast and even cooking, allowing you to enjoy your food in less time without compromising on quality. In a world where digital convenience meets the timeless charm of pen on paper, the NUI Sync Pen 4 steps in as a bridge between both. This smart pen writes on paper just like a traditional pen, yet instantly transfers your words and sketches to your device through the NUI's app. It captures every stroke in real time and records your creative flow as it unfolds, preserving both the end result and the thought process behind it. The Sync Pen 4 transforms your handwriting into editable digital text using OCR, supporting 73 languages. In a world dominated by constant stimulation and overthinking, there's a quiet beauty in simplicity and movement. This is not just a desk ornament. It's not just a toy. It's a moment of stillness and motion, crafted to soothe, inspire, and gently ground you in the present. The Oasis Mini is a kinetic art piece that brings the calming rhythm of nature into your everyday space. A small steel ball glides effortlessly across fine sand, creating fluid, mesmerizing patterns. The amzn.to Tiny 2 Lite is a compact yet powerful webcam designed to elevate your video streaming and communication experience. Equipped with a 4K resolution, it delivers stunning clarity for any video conference, meeting, or content creation. The advanced AI tracking ensures that you remain in the frame at all times, making it ideal for dynamic presentations or live streaming. This camera also features pan-tilt-zoom functionality, providing you with flexible control over your angles for a more engaging viewer experience. For professionals and creators seeking refined utility without compromise, the Kokushu X36 Pro Max redefines iPad usability with purpose-built precision. This magnetic charging stand isn't just a holder, it's a stable workstation, a charging hub, and an ergonomic assistant engineered to elevate productivity. Made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, the frame features 7 adjustable joints and supports both horizontal and vertical viewing. Whether you're sketching, editing, or typing, every angle is tailored to support your workflow. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is an advanced gimbal stabilizer designed to enhance your smartphone videography experience. Featuring a robust 3-axis stabilization system, this gimbal ensures smooth, professional-grade footage even during movement. Whether capturing fast-paced action or cinematic panning shots, the Osmo Mobile 7 guarantees steady results with minimal effort. Its ultra-light ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions without fatigue. The Eve Paint Cam security system offers a cutting-edge approach to enhancing both safety and security. Featuring real-time face recognition, it ensures immediate identification of individuals, whether you're monitoring your home, business, or any sensitive area. The system's sophisticated algorithms provide quick, accurate assessments, ensuring that only authorized personnel are allowed access. In addition to the face recognition, the system includes a unique paintball marking feature. Cluttered desks and tangled cords are a thing of the past. The X-Cool The One Cable 8-in-1 Ultimate Cable brings clean efficiency to your everyday tech life. Designed for seamless charging and syncing, it replaces the need for multiple cables, delivering portability and practicality wherever you go. Built for universal compatibility, it powers everything from USB-C smartphones to Lightning devices with USB-A and USB-C chargers. Simplify your gear and enjoy stress-free charging across all your gadgets. Designed with purpose and built for control, the Vault 2.0 reshapes how you manage your everyday carry. Inspired by the logic of folders and the simplicity of book pages, this modular system redefines functional organization with precision and intent. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or working from multiple locations, Vault 2.0 adapts to your gear and your rhythm. Each size, Mini Light, Flex Pro, and Max Haul, caters to specific carry needs, ensuring your essentials are always where they need to be. Launching bold ideas requires tools built to match that energy. This notebook and pen combo is crafted not for desks but for action, ready to accompany explorers, thinkers, and creators across any terrain. Every component is engineered to resist the elements, all while delivering precise, reliable performance. The carbon fiber cover offers extreme strength without unnecessary weight, tough enough to take a beating yet sleek enough to carry daily. The TP-Link X 1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router offers an advanced internet experience, perfect for households and small offices. Leveraging Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology, it delivers faster speeds, greater network capacity, and minimizes congestion compared to older models. With next-gen speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second, 1,200 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band, streaming, gaming, and downloading are smooth and uninterrupted. Catchpad transforms your fitness routine by blending gamified workouts with dynamic lights, sound, and real-time tracking. This innovative system is designed to elevate your agility, speed, and coordination, making exercise both fun and challenging. The platform's interactive nature adapts to your progress, offering a variety of exercises that can be tailored to your fitness level. With each workout, the lights and sounds react to your movements, pushing you to improve your timing and precision. Crush limits and rebuild strength from your living room with the amzn 3000, your smart, all-in-one training system that transforms how you train. Built for serious performance, this powerhouse delivers up to 400 pounds of intelligent, adjustable resistance with pinpoint accuracy. Over 60 guided workouts led by expert trainers keep your routines fresh, whether you're sculpting muscle, torching fat, or building endurance. Its sleek profile fits tight spaces without sacrificing function. Touchscreen control and app connectivity ensure you're always dialed in, tracking progress and pushing boundaries. Introducing the Mesmo Globe Liquid, an extraordinary desk toy designed to captivate the mind and elevate your workspace. With its mesmerizing kinetic movements and smooth, continuous flow, the Mesmo Globe brings a dynamic touch of artistry to your environment. It's not just a toy, it's a tool that helps enhance focus, spark creativity, and reset your mental state. Crafted with precision, the liquid motion creates a soothing optical illusion that draws the eye and calms the mind. Packing for your trip doesn't have to be a hassle. Enter the Volek EasyY Organizer Set. Designed to eliminate the stress from your packing routine, you can compress your items up to 85%, making it possible to carry more with less. The Volek EasyY Set is built for durability, using 70D nylon fabric that withstands wear and tear. With an upgraded turbo boost airflow system that provides a massive 200 liters per minute, packing is completed in a flash, saving you valuable time. In a dim-lit basement or a vibrant game room, this wall-mounted marvel draws attention with its glowing retro pixel display and arcade ambiance. This isn't your average wall art. It's the gateway to competitive play, solo challenges, and endless customization. Welcome to an electronic era where digital darts meet vintage charm. The game thrives on advanced recognition technology that tracks each toss with precision, creating fast-paced, live-action gaming. The Lingo Genie L2 is an advanced translation tool designed to bridge communication gaps seamlessly. With support for over 200 languages, it allows users to translate text, voice, and images in real time, making it a powerful companion for global travelers, businesses, and language learners alike. The device integrates smoothly with the Lingo Genie app, offering users a more comprehensive, user-friendly experience. Equipped with AI-powered accuracy, the Lingo Genie L2 ensures precise translations, even for complex phrases. Built for writers who demand excellence, the AI06 Max stands as a cutting-edge navigation companion. With its seamless integration of CG Quick Release Base, BMW Quick Release Base, and an array of mounts, it adapts effortlessly to different bikes, offering unmatched mounting flexibility. Whether you're touring on a BMW GS or hitting the back roads with a sport bike, this system locks in securely and detaches with ease. Slip into a new era of control with Tap XR, designed to fit a wide range of wrist sizes. The package includes 2 adjustable bands, a large spring blue band for wrists over 6.25 inches and a small starlight band for wrists under 6.25 inches in circumference. Setting up takes just minutes with the exclusive mobile apps, allowing you to master tapping techniques anytime, anywhere. Tap XR delivers 2 powerful modes, a fully functional keyboard and an intuitive air mouse. In the ever-demanding landscape of hybrid workflows and remote collaboration, this machine stands out, not just for power, but for precision. The Asus ZenBook Duo redefines multitasking with its twin 14-inch OLED 3K 120Hz touch displays, each panel delivering stunning color depth, true blacks, and ultra-smooth visuals for creators, coders, and professionals who rely on responsiveness and clarity. This is more than a laptop, it's a portable dual-screen workstation. The Rankstone Rank Case elevates the experience of using your iPhone with its thoughtfully designed features. The 3.98-inch high-definition ink screen provides an expansive, clearer display, enhancing the overall visual experience. With a larger screen-to-body ratio, every image appears sharper, while the reduction of pattern noise ensures the display is finer and more refined, offering crisp text and images for optimal readability. The case is crafted with an elegant and sophisticated design, making it not only functional but also a statement piece. In an era where innovation meets lifestyle, this isn't just a coffee table. It's a command center built for modern living. Engineered with precision, this next-generation centerpiece houses an AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS mini PC beneath its sleek, minimalist exterior. A stunning 27-inch HD touchscreen is seamlessly integrated into the tabletop, merging function with visual brilliance. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or managing smart devices, the powerful processor ensures smooth multitasking. Forget cramped screens and bulky setups, Screenio UL5 redefines home cinema in tight spaces. Just inches from the wall, this ultra-short throw projector casts a massive 120-inch image in stunning Full HD. The advanced triple laser light source ensures razor-sharp clarity with HDR10 and Rec 2020 color standards, delivering lifelike visuals right from your tabletop or shelf. Dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make wireless setup a breeze, while its compact frame fits seamlessly into any room. Sometimes life doesn't come with a laundry room. That's where ICTK steps in, not just as another gadget, but as a thoughtful solution to everyday drying needs. For people constantly on the go, sharing small spaces, or lacking permanent housing, ICTK brings flexibility and performance to the forefront. Dryers today are often too big, too loud, and not designed with intelligence. Even portable options on the market are clunky in practice and fail to offer true portability. For those seeking a unique blend of comfort and functionality, the lounge workspace is the perfect office chair for home environments. Designed to support extended hours of work, this chair offers flexibility that traditional office chairs cannot. Whether you need to stay alert or take a break, the lounge workspace provides two adjustable recline options: semi-reclined and fully reclined. The semi-reclined position, which tilts the backrest to a comfortable 120 to 135 degrees, strikes the perfect balance for productivity. Cool-headed focus meets minimalist form in this versatile desktop companion. The Baseus refreshing monitor, clip-on and stand-up desk fan delivers efficiency without distractions, merging silent performance with adaptable structure. It redefines airflow delivery with its large air outlet, pushing out a stronger breeze that cools fast and efficiently, even during high-output work sessions. Its clever hanging design lets it mount directly onto your computer monitor, freeing up precious workspace and keeping your area tidy. Stretching from 2.39 to 3.87 feet tall, this 17-in-1 standing desk transforms any workspace into a powerhouse of productivity. At its core is a powerful 17-in-1 docking station, integrating USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, SD card slots, and more. Simultaneously connect and output to 3 external monitors, expanding your visual workspace without clutter or lag. The desk also features a built-in SSD enclosure that supports up to 8 terabytes of high-speed storage. The Armrest Couch Cup Holder by Couch Coaster offers an innovative solution for those seeking convenience and organization while relaxing at home. Crafted with precision, this patented design incorporates a weighted silicone base that securely sits on your sofa, armchair, or recliner armrest, preventing accidental spills. Its anti-slip feature ensures stability,